Good Friday, everyone. Welcome to Garden State Weather and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith, and as we head into the weekend, we're going to become more unsettled, with more clouds and chances of showers with some heavy downpours and even a few weak thunderstorms through the region. It's not going to be a washout this weekend in all locations all the time, but you're definitely going to need your umbrella handy. This is the video forecast discussion for the 15th of May, 2015. Clear skies with high cirrus moving in from the southwest this morning, and pressures are still high as high pressure dominates our weather this morning with partly to mostly sunny skies across the region. But the clouds are going to begin to win out during today as they begin to lower and thicken from the middle and upper levels of the atmosphere. Temperatures this morning starting out on the mild side, already running in the upper 40s to low 50s, and it's going to be a pleasant day. Morning pass of the visible satellite imagery this morning already shows the high cirrus beginning to move in across the region. Won't make for a completely cloudy day, but clouds will be on the increase, and moisture will be advecting in from the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere as well. On the radar mosaic, we find an area of warm air beginning to move into the Great Lakes region and the Tennessee and Ohio River Valley area this morning, and some of this will be lifting to the north and east as the warm front moves through the region during tonight. Morning surface chart from WeatherRoanoke.com and Digital Atmosphere software shows the high pressure moving off the coast with a return southwesterly flow. Here is our warm front developing across the Ohio and Tennessee River Valley this morning, spreading a shield of rain, showers, some moderate to heavy across the Great Lakes into Ohio this morning. And this warm front will be sliding into our west and southwest during the morning and afternoon hours. Pollen remains on the very high side today, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, mainly oak, birch, and maple, but obviously things will become a little bit less enhanced with the pollen grain spreading out through the air on Tuesday with showers and thunderstorms moving through the region. And the UVI index for your skin means that sunscreen will continue to be a must through the weekend into early next week as we continue on the medium to high side. And on the aviational front today, another great day for flying across the mid-Atlantic region. Just some high clouds around today and high pressure moving off and our coastline. Winds will be light early and then become more southwesterly to south at 5 to 10 knots by late morning and southerly by evening. And sea breezes may still cause southeast winds this afternoon around Millville and Atlantic City. And VFR conditions will continue through tonight with some mid-level cloudiness expected. Saturday through Sunday, there'll be some times of NVFR and IFR with scattered showers and thunderstorms, especially on Saturday. Otherwise, VFR conditions outside of this, and there is lower confidence regarding the coverage of the precipitation, but most should be in the afternoon and evening hours on Saturday with a greater impact at western terminals and airports. Sunday night and Monday, some low clouds and showers are possible. Otherwise, more widespread VFR conditions are expected. Monday night and Tuesday, MVFR and IFR occurring during the showers and thunderstorms. And as the screen refreshes here outside of Newark at 52 degrees, dew point 40, it's coming up now a little bit. Relative humidity 63%. The wind is out of the southwest and it's light at 6. Few clouds at 17,000 and overcast at 25,000. That's the jet stream cirrus clouds we talked about. And a beautiful day for flying today. VFR conditions in place. Philadelphia 56, dew point 48, humidity 75%. The wind is south at 10. Skies are already increasing with the high variety. Overcast at about 25,000, broken at 21,000, and VFR conditions in place for today. Great day to be by the water today. Things look calm. There's no advisories in effect. That could be ramped up on later Monday and Tuesday. But for today, generally sunny skies through high cirrus clouds. Temperatures around the coastlines right along the beachfronts today will be in the upper 60s. Southwest winds at around 10 miles an hour. The seas will be nearly calm at around 2 feet. Southeast swell at around 2 feet. Dominant period every 8 seconds. Water temperatures are chilly. They range into the upper 50s to around 60 degrees, and that's chilly. And there is a low risk of rip currents, but you do not want to swim in unguarded beaches or near piers and jetties, and obviously the lifeguards aren't out there yet. There is no threat of lightning today. The next high tide at Belmar will be at about 5:54 p.m. this evening. High resolution rapid refresh reflectivity forecast going into the future. Our first batch of showers will approach from the west and southwest across northeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern New Jersey, central, and portions of the Delmarva region. Well, not Delmarva, but the I-95 corridor, at least down through Trenton and Philadelphia by early tomorrow morning. And this batch will move off the coast tomorrow morning, and we'll get partial sunshine again in the afternoon. But a second batch to our southwest means that more widespread shower, possibly heavier localized showers will be moving into the region on Saturday afternoon. GFS maps into motion. Our first batch of showers moves through tomorrow morning, and then a second batch with another shortwave max and probably a thermal trough here, or surface trough, passing through the region tomorrow afternoon, and tomorrow evening means more widely scattered showers. Some heavier downpours than this is possible. That moves off the coast, and we could have a little bit more of a dry period as we head into Sunday before the next batch of precipitation moves in, with our area of low pressure moving up towards the Great Lakes, and most of the energy with this will be associated with the jet max up in this region here. That means we could be a little bit removed between this area that just passed off the coast and this low pressure area across the Great Lakes. So could get a little bit drier in here as we head into later Sunday and Monday. It's going to be quite warm with temperatures approaching the low to mid 80s away from the water during the day on Sunday. Now, a backdoor cold front will be slicing back through the region, with the warm front that moved through will come back as a weak cold front or a backdoor cold front, and this is where some initiation of showers and even some locally heavy downpours and an isolated thunderstorm is possible. And by the time we head into Tuesday, that front will begin to wash out as the cold front then moves through with the associated area of low pressure now into southeastern Canada. And that cold front will come through with the chance of widely scattered showers and even a few thunderstorms on Tuesday and Tuesday afternoon and evening. Before that races off the coast, followed by more cooler Canadian high pressure building in for the forecast region, with cooler temperatures and drier conditions for the mid to the late part of next week. So your weekend plans do not look like a complete washout, but you're going to need the umbrella with you in any of these showers and thunderstorms that move through the region. For everything live, it's Garden State Weather, gardenstateweather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. Have a fantastic weekend, and we'll see you bright and early on Monday morning.